Like I've told my family and my friends is, kind of going back to the beginning of, having a fire. And how do you even start to rebuild after something like that? And when Tim and his guys came out here to look at the property, they just really took a personal interest in it. And for us, being in the situation we were in, that was the most important thing to us, was just being able to feel like somebody else was invested in the project. Neither one of us had built a house, and we had no idea what we were doing. So there was a lot of things that were very challenging for us and very overwhelming. And one of my employees, her husband works with a company, and they had recommended First Finishers to us. So that's where we started. It was amazing to me that a contractor would come out here and spend so much time with us and not just leave it up to everybody else, but he was actually here. For somebody that had no idea what we were doing and had no idea where to start or where we would really even end up, to have somebody really legitimately hold our hand through that process and be so invested in it and so invested in how we felt about it. If anybody were to ask me of a contractor for a recommendation, First Finishers is the very first place I would go.